A small demonstration for binding the receiver and the transmitter both together. This is the transmitter, this is the receiver. So let's follow these steps. Step 1 is you have to give power to your receiver, and power can be given through any source on any pins. So let me just give the power. I have given the power to it. Once I have done that, I have to connect the bind plug. This is the bind plug. What it does is it shortens or it shorts the signal and the VCC. So I'll just do that. So once this is done, this receiver is ready to be paired with a transmitter. So let's do that. So every transmitter has a bind pin or a bind button. For this it's here. For other models it might be on the back, etc. So let's start it in the bind mode. So I'll start it like this. It says Rx binding. So it's searching for a receiver to bind with. So see, now it has binded. All I have to do is I have to remove this and both can communicate to each other now. So you can see it can contact the Rx. This is the TX, TX can contact to the Rx.